You survived the approach. You kept the conversation going. She's smiling. But right now, you're standing on the edge of a really dangerous cliff, the friend zone. Why? Because you're being too nice, too polite, way too safe. Look, flirting isn't a formal job interview. It's a game. Most guys think they gotta act perfectly polished like some movie star to win a woman over. Trust me, they don't. Women actually fall for the guy who brings a spark of unpredictability to their life. Today, I'm going to teach you the dangerous art of verbal tension, how to tease a woman, create massive magnetic attraction, and make sure she never sees you as just a good friend again. First rule, master the push and pull. You need to create emotional spikes. You compliment her, then immediately drop a playful tease. For example, if she proudly tells you how smart she is, don't just nod like a nice boy. Look into her eyes, smile, and say, "You really are smart, but it's a shame you haven't realized why I'm smarter than you yet." This instantly starts a game. You didn't insult her, you challenged her. Now she's subconsciously trying to prove herself to you. Next, create a private world just for the two of you. You do this by giving her a specific funny nickname based on a cute habit or a shared moment. Never base this on a vulnerability or a flaw. If she is organizing your date and analyzing every small detail, smile and say, "Wait, am I dealing with a normal girl or a strict project manager?" Later in your texts, you call her Ms. Planner. If she's completely emotionless while you tell a wild story, pause and say, "You are the queen of calm. I'm telling this crazy story and you're just sitting on your throne watching me." This creates instant, exclusive intimacy. It builds a secret language that nobody else gets. Third technique, intentionally misinterpreting her actions. Extract a funny, absolutely wrong conclusion from what she does. If she takes hours to reply to your text, an insecure guy gets angry or double texts. A high-value man makes an absurd assumption. You reply, "I get it now. You're on the quality assurance team and my messages gotta pass a strict inspection before you can reply." If she says she's a quiet person, you say, "Ah, so you're the type who silently stares at me during an argument until I'm forced to apologize." You're taking a normal, boring fact and turning it into a magnetic joke. But listen to me carefully. There are absolute red lines. Flirting is a bridge to bring you closer, not a weapon to tear her down. Never make an aggressive joke. Never joke about her physical appearance, her body, her family, or her core beliefs. If you do that, her defensive walls will instantly go up, and you will lose her forever. And if you ever make a joke and see her smile fade, do not ignore it. Don't pretend it didn't happen. Own your mistake. Immediately say, "I apologize, I didn't mean it that way. I just wanted to make you smile." Taking responsibility actually raises your value. Master these techniques and you will become unforgettable. One last secret. Whenever you deliver these playful lines, you must maintain strong eye contact. If you look away, it looks like an insult. If you hold her gaze, it becomes flirtation. If this masterclass brought you real value, support the channel and buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Also, hit that subscribe button and leave a like. In the comments, tell me, what's the worst joke you ever made on a date? Let's talk about it. Stay confident, take action, and I'll see you in the next one.